Hey guys, welcome to the pizza part one. We'll be learning how to turn on and off the oven, the pizza box sizes and locations, and how to make a pizza box. So, how do we turn off the oven? There's two ovens, and the one at the bottom right now is on, and the one at the top is off, as you can see by the light. Over here we have three switches, and right now they're all on. So to turn off the oven, we switch all of them off from on to off, off, off. And that's good. Now the oven is still hot. So let the oven cool down fully. We cannot turn the oven back on until it's fully cooled down. So we can turn on the other oven if we need to make a pizza. Like switch on, and basically now it's cool. Now it's warming up, and we have to wait until it's about 250 degrees before putting anything in there. Now, let's show you the sizes. We have two pizza box sizes, the 13-inch and the 15-inch. Don't worry about the 9-inch because those are for something else. We just have two sizes, the large, which is the 13-inch, and the family, which is the 15-inch. And these are the boxes. And as you can see, there's a white paper at the base of each pizza box. That's to stop the oil from making the box soggy. And just over here, we have different sizes of boxes. This is the 15, that's the 9, and that's the 13. And I'm going to show you just how to make these pizzas. So we'll grab one of each. Just lay it down. So, as you can see, that's a large box, which is the 13-inch. So, we fold the sides in and then fold the corners in. Just like that. And then we take this, we try to put that into that little hole. I'll try to make it more obvious in the video. We lift this up and put it over those corners and we click it in. I try to show in the video. There's little holes there. Yep, as you can see, those two holes. We click it into those holes and make sure it's clicked in. And then we move on. We fold those corners in, just like that. And then we lift it up all the way, right from the edge, and put it over and into itself. And that's how we do it. It takes some practice, but it's very easy to learn. As you can see, that's the large. But we need to put a paper in there. So let me just show you where you can get the paper. And this is the hot bar. And just over here on the right side, we have paper. Yeah. We just put the paper on the base and we make sure it's underneath those little corners. So we just make sure it's fitting, and then we lift the corner and put it over the paper. Just like that. And then we can close the box. Yep. And yeah, I'll just quickly put these large bases back. And as you can see, the bottom oven is cooling down and the top oven is warming up. But it's still not warm enough for us to put something in there. It has to be 250 degrees. So let's make a family box. It's the exact same thing. So we fold the corners in, the edges in, and then corners in, lift it over, and click it into the corner. And you can tap it just to make sure it clicks in. Fold those corners in and lift it up. Corners and in. Done. With this little edge, we leave it like that, so it's easier to open and close it. And now we'll just put a paper in there. Remember, the paper's just over here. And we'll just make sure the paper's underneath those little corners. Close the box and put it back. And that's it. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. Thank you very much.